So don't worry about internals. Internals out of 20 score even 10, 11, 12, how much ever you have prepared. Now for that, if I waste today, if I start teaching all, will waste. Okay, I have to complete proportion, word problems. Then there is graph question. So don't worry about that. Project, final exam project you all have done, submitted, enough. And for this test, out of 80 marks, at least 50 to 60, you all will be prepared for at least 60, not 60, 60 to 70 marks easily. Only that reflection chapter is left, and shares and dividend, I'll make you all revise. That is very lengthy and confusing concept. I'll make you all revise that, shares and dividend. Okay, this question, show that they'll give you a value here and they'll tell you to show any one value. There are 4 questions. Let me solve the first one. I'll solve the second one and fourth one. Okay. So how do you solve this? First you have to take A by B is equals to C by D is equals to K. Or you can take it as A by D is equals to K, comma C by D is equals to K. A is equals to KD and C is K into D. Cross multiply B to the other side. A is equals to KB, C is equals to KD. This is what you have to substitute. All of you will remember this? You will remember how to solve? Yeah, try this question 14. First one. Yeah, Tanishka, Naomi, you all can leave at what time? What time you all want to leave? 6:30. Remaining, you all can go through the recording tomorrow, students. Okay, complete that. From 6:30 class will be up to 7:45. So another 45 minutes. You can go through the recording tomorrow. See, where do we have this value A and C? Where are the alphabets A and C in the first question? Left hand side as well as right hand side. So you have to take both left hand side and solve separately. Take right hand side or both together. You all can do it. So A is equals to KB. The question is A plus B divided by C plus D is equals to square root of 2A square plus 7B square 2C square plus 7D square. Square root of 2AB square 2C square 7D square A plus B C plus D. Okay. A plus B KB plus B divided by KD square root of A square whole square plus 7 B square divided by square root of Check whether you can take anything common. Rationalize. Square roots are given. Open the bracket. BD square by BD square. K into B. Yes, Tanishka, the answer is correct. 7. This was, I don't know which question I marked. I'll check this later. Fine. Ratio and proportion. How did your teachers do, students? Did they do it like this, or they took left hand side first, right hand side? How do teachers solve? Yes, can you tell me they didn't start ratio and proportion? Okay, other section. Lemula, Naomi, Lemula, Tanishka. Okay, fine. Naomi, Lemula, check the notes. Any one question, students. I'm not asking all the one question. In which way they've done. What about Mariana Cherisha? Don't have notes? Okay. So take separately and solve. See, here I've taken both students, left hand side, right hand side. You'll do one thing, write LHS. Which one comes on LHS here? Which one comes on LHS? This part, right? This is what I'm asking. There's only one method. There's only K method, no other methods. Take LHS and solve it separately. All the K method questions, take LHS, write RHS. And this is RHS. Left hand side, right hand side. So left hand side we have A plus B divided by C plus D. Okay, close your notes. Just look at a textbook and solve. C plus D. Fine. Left hand side, what is common here? What is common? B is common. In numerator, you get K plus. Then again, D is common. Reduce this. We have B divided by D in left hand side. B divided by D, simplified form. Now check the right hand side part. Solve the right hand side one. The next exercise is a bit tough. I think component or dividend or concept. What about third exercise, Naomi? Mariana, Naomi, did ma'am complete third exercise? Component or dividend or concept? Did you all understand that? Fine. That is tough, students. All this are easy. That component or dividend is a bit tough. Okay. Square root of 2 into, what do you get? K square, B square plus 7 into B square divided by square root of which common part? Which one, Tanishka? Inside the root? Yeah, yeah. You can take. See, even if there is no square, does it make any difference if you take common factor? No, right? So you can take that doesn't impact this square root. 2 into k square d square plus 7d square. Take common values. What's the common value? B square, and down it is d square. B square, but it should be inside the root. Inside the root, b square, get 2 k square plus 7. Yeah, you can reduce it. Reduce, and you can take out the b. Okay, that will do it later, students. Later, now you will get confused. See, it's a very simple concept. Down, what you will get? Denominator, what you will get? D square in bracket. Same concept. 2 k square plus. Which one gets cancelled? These two, right? And what is left? Square root of b square divided by square root of d square. Now remove the bracket, you will get b by d. Are we getting the same answer? Yes. So till the last, don't try to remove a, b, nothing. Keep solving, you'll definitely get the answer. See, only 8th and 9th standard it is tough, students. 10th standard, you're just going to apply all the concepts. 10th is comparative to 9th. 10th concepts are easy. All the tough concepts, beginning, the basic was in 9th. In 10th, you're just going to apply the concept. So keep trying till the last. You'll get this b divided by d. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. LHS is equals to RHS. Remember, in proportion, most of the values, the basic concept here is common value. Always factorize common values. Take out the common value, some of the other value, numerator by denominator will get cancelled out. You just check all the question. You try to take out the common value, numerator and denominator will get cancelled out. Even here it was the same. Even here it's the same. So most of the concept, most of the question, take out the common value, numerator, denominator will get cancelled. Ratio is all about reducing to the lowest term. Shall we try the next one? All of you completed? Done? Naomi, Lemuel are done? See, next question, it's the same student, same type. I'll skip that second one. Okay, second one you all try. Third question, second and third. Third and fourth question. Fourth question we have cube. Second question is similar to first one. Third and fourth, all this entire thing is the same concept. Use the same. Okay, so you try the third question for homework. Third one is similar to this. 13th main, third one. Can you see the questions? Aren't they similar? 13th main, third question and 14th main, third. In 13th main, they haven't written. We have to divide both numerator denominator. In 14th main, they have already divided numerator by denominator. We'll try the fourth question. Right, 14th main, fourth question, a plus c the whole cube. Where is that value? A by b is equals to k. C by d is equals to k. A is equals to kb. C is equals to kd. One by 6, 3 by 5. Yeah, try this. Take left hand side, right hand side and solve. Take LHS. Or look here students, I'll do it. I'll complete LHS. Left hand side. All of you will stop doing. Look at the screen. A plus C the whole cube divided by B plus D the whole cube. First left hand side. A value is, I'll write it KB plus C the whole cube divided by, what is the value? Okay, B and D doesn't have anything. B plus D whole cube. C value I should have taken. C value is also given. What is common here? Can you all tell me what is common in the numerator? Yeah, unmute and answer. What is common in the numerator? K is common. In bracket, what do you get? B plus. And this cube is for both. Remember, cube is for both. K cube, K plus D the whole cube divided by B plus D the whole cube. Which one gets cancelled? B plus D and B plus D. So K cube is there. See here, this is bit tricky. You should understand this. K cube, B cube plus D, B plus D the whole cube. This is nothing but A cube, B cube. What is AB the whole cube? When you open the bracket, what do you get? A cube into B cube. The same concept. When the degrees are same, remember, whenever the degree 3 and 3 are same, you can multiply the K inside. K into B plus K into D, the whole cube. Fine. Which means when you take out the K value, students, even the cube also should be written. Make a note of this, left hand side. Okay, so when you take out K, even the cube also should be written. So we get K cube here. K cube is the answer, left hand side, RHS. For RHS, what's the formula? A into A minus C the whole square divided by B into B minus D the whole square. Like this. See, first concept in proportion, what's the first thing I told? After solving all this, what do you have to take? You have to take out the common values. Try to remove the common value. So don't, just by looking at this, don't try to write A plus B the whole cube, A minus B the whole cube. Don't write all those formulas. You'll end up getting wrong answers. So take out K value, the other two will get cancelled. Next one. You all try the RHS, complete LHS and try the RHS. KB into KB minus KD the whole square divided by B as it is, B minus D the whole square. KB, keep it as it is. In the first bracket, what is common, students? Again, we have square outside. What is common in the first bracket? So along with the square, what do you get? You get K square. In bracket, B minus D the whole square divided by B into B minus D the whole square. Which one gets cancelled? What are the values? B minus this. What else? There's one more alphabet which we can cancel. So what is left? K into K square is K. LHS is equals to RHS. So all K questions, do it like this. LHS is equals to RHS. You'll definitely get one question from this and one question from word problem. Here, if you don't try to take out this k square, you won't get k cube. Remember that when you take k common, even k square should be taken out. Degree 2. Completed. Shall we try the next one? X divided by a, take it as k. Then we have y divided by b. Again, when there is equation given here, some value will be given and they'll ask you to prove. Previously, we had only two values. A is to b, c is to d. Here we have three values. A, b, c, x, y, z. And what's the other one? Z by c is equals to k. Z by c is equals to k. Next, we need to find x square plus y square plus z square divided by a square plus b square plus c square. Left hand side, LHS. B into a. This is RHS 2016. Fine, they've given one question. Prove that. Again, same concept proving. "21 questions. We are in 15th one. So everything is the same, students, only proving questions. When all of you look at the screen, we'll start solving this. Even in this, I'll solve two questions. You all can try one. So this exercise, it's easy compared to the next one. Component of dividend, this is easy. Only substituting, finding the common values. Remember, substitute and find the common values. Left hand side, right hand side, RHS. Is my voice audible? All of you online? Shall we start the next one? Next one. X square, y square, z square is given through. You might mostly get this type where you have three equations. So if you want x, what do you get? X is equals to AK. Next, y is equals to, then C is equal, Z is equals to, these are the three values we need. Simple, just square it. X square is asked. If you want to square, what should I write? AK the whole square plus BK the whole square plus CK the whole square divided by A square, B square, C square. What is common here? I mean, not common. Open the bracket, what do you get? Unmute and answer, students. When you open the bracket, A square, K square, X square, K square divided by A square plus B square plus C square. Next, what is common in the numerator? K square is common. If you take K square, what do you get? A square plus denominator. The left hand side, everything. As I told you, common value. Substitute common. That's the only thing you have to do, students. There's nothing difficult in this. Understand the logic. Substitute the value of K. Take out the common values. You'll get left hand side. Try even the right hand side. So you have left hand side K square. Try the right hand side. P X. So P into, I'll write directly PAK plus VK, VY, QY, RZ, QY, RZ, PA, QB, RC. Okay. PAK. Next, Q as it is. What is Y value? Q, BK plus R, Z is Q, BK divided by PA plus QB plus RC the whole square. Don't forget the square, students. Square. So tell me what is common in the numerator? What is common? No, not K. Along with K, what is? You have to told you all right. When there is square, what do you take? Just K or K square? Take K square. In bracket, what is left? PA plus P plus RC divided by PA plus QB by plus RC the whole square. See, square is for both students, K as well as other values. Other values will get cancelled. So what is left? K square. LHS is equals to RHS. Lemula, did you understand? Cherisha, Lemula, Mariana. You'll mostly get these three values. See, the ultimate thing is definitely you'll get K square. So if you just take K out, you won't get the answer. If K square is given, K square, just blindly write K square, you'll get marks here. Forget about logic. There is degree 2, take K square, others will get cancelled. LHS is equals to RHS. Yes, completed, done. Okay, next. Look, even the next one, students, the next one, 15th main. Second question, it's very simple question. Second and third. I'll skip second and third. Fourth is bit difficult. Where there are denominators, you have to prove is equal to 3. Okay. So second and third I'll skip. You all can try it later. I'll just ask you a few questions. In second and third, when you take the values, you'll get a cube, the whole cube, divided by a cube. Now can you tell me what is common in the numerator, students? What is common in the numerator? No, again wrong. Very good. How many times to tell you all? Ivania, what do you get when you open the bracket? There's cube, right? So you get a cube, k cube. Next you get b cube, k cube, b cube, k cube. So whenever degrees see, look students, a cube plus b, bk plus ck. Now k is common. When the degree is 2, when the degree is 3, k cube will be common. When the degree is 4, ak the whole to the power of 4 plus b to the power of k. They'll give even it for MCQ. They'll give the questions like this. Fine. And they'll give you 3 options. K square, k cube, k. What's the answer for this? What is common? The degree is 4. What is common? K to the power of 4. In bracket you will get a4 plus b4. In denominator you have a4 plus b4. Everything is easy except this one part. You all should know this part. Instead of wasting time, if you want to open the bracket and you check, you'll get the same answer. K cube is the value. Next, you'll get it like this. Once you substitute ak plus bk the whole square divided by a square plus b square. Tell me what is common in the numerator. Look at the degree. What is common? A square is common. Okay, here you'll get plus 2ab. Yes, tell me students, a square is common. Then in bracket what do you get? A plus b the whole square. A square b square plus 2ab. What is a plus b the whole square? What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab divided by a square. It gets cancelled, right? This is how they'll give questions. So make sure the degree is 2. If not, you won't get left hand side and right hand side equal. That's the only thing you'll have to remember. Other things, it's the same. Just substitute, take the common values, find the answer. I'll do the last one. Fourth question. See, right hand side only 3 is given. Ignore that. Just take left hand side whatever is given and what was the value we have. X by A is equals to K. Therefore, K is equals to X is equals to AK. Y by B is equals to K. Y is equals to BK. Z by C is equals to K. Z is equals to CK. Okay, we have X value B. AX minus BY into A plus B into X minus Y plus by minus cz divided by b plus c into y minus z plus cz minus ax divided by c plus a into z minus x. Substitute all the values of x. What do you get? A k. Write it directly. A square k minus. When you substitute for y, what do we get? B square k divided by a plus b into what is x minus y, students? What is x minus y? X minus bk. X plus for the other one, what do you get? B into y is b square k minus c square k. I'm writing it directly. Okay, I'm just multiplying directly. B plus c doesn't have a value. Y minus z. Y is bk minus z is ck plus. Tell me for this cz, what will you get? What's the value of z when you substitute directly? What is the value of z? That's what will you get when you multiply to ck? C square k minus for ax, a into what is k x value? See this part. I'm talking about this part ax. Keep a as it is. What is x value? X is what is a into a square divided by c plus a into what is z minus k? Ck minus ak. Now tell me numerator. This is three questions. Three questions together. What is common in the numerator? First question. What's the degree for k? It's only one, right? K into a square minus. Okay. Divided by the denominator. What is common? Keep a plus b as it is. What is common? In the second bracket, what is common? A is common. Take the k out. What do you get if you take k out? A minus plus next one k into b square minus c square. Again, here k is common. You get b plus c into which formula can we use for the numerator? Which formula we use for the numerator? Yes. So it gets cancelled, right? What are the values which gets cancelled, students? K and k gets cancelled. How do you replace this a square? What is a square? A plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. B square c square. What is b plus c into b minus c? B square minus c square. C square minus a square. Same like a square. You can either convert numerator or denominator. Anything is fine. Cancel everything. When you cancel 1 plus 1 plus 1, answer is 3. Therefore, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Is it clear? All of you understood how to solve this? This is the lengthiest question in this main. Other questions are easy. You can just skip those. Complete this. See, I've explained, students, in detail. I've explained. It is your wish. You do it, you copy, or you skip the question. It is your wish. Okay. Tanishka and Naomi can leave. If you are done with this, you all can leave. Others complete this and take break. 6:40. We'll continue at 6:40 with what? Yes, you all can leave, students. 15th main done. 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. We'll start. We'll continue tomorrow. Other means will continue tomorrow. Complete it till here and take break. Once you complete All of you online, shall we try word problems? Okay. Next, word problems. Can you tell me how many word problems you have done? How many questions? I have written 1 to 8. How many questions, students? Can you check and tell me, is it 1 to 8? Ninth question. Look here, I'll tell you the difference. If they ask you, I'll once again explain. If they ask you to find two natural numbers, find two natural numbers, even, odd, this is different. Natural number, whole number is different. Natural number, whole number, you don't have to take x plus 2, x plus 3, all those things. For natural number, if they ask us to find two natural number, take x and y. If they ask you three natural numbers, x, y and z, natural numbers. Fine. There is no separate equation, just take normal value. So here, this is where you'll get confused. In spite of knowing how to solve, you'll go wrong with the equation. But when they ask you to find two consecutive, remember this, two consecutive positive even numbers, two consecutive negative even numbers, or three consecutive positive even numbers, three consecutive negative even numbers. This is only for even. Odd number I'll teach next. Fine. Whenever the word consecutive is given, students, consecutive is continuous. Consecutive is continuous. Now, first, for even number you always take 2x. First number you take 2x. Second number, first number, let the first number be 2x. Second number, what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the difference between them? Difference between each number is 2. So this is first number. For second number you take 2x plus 2. Remember this. 2x, and for second number you take 2x plus 2. This is only difference. Other things it is same. It is usual calculation. Okay, even numbers. 2 positive. Or negative you don't get. Sorry, negative you won't get. Negative even you won't get. Like this. Two consecutive even numbers. Make a note of this. Two consecutive even numbers. Next, two consecutive natural numbers. Two consecutive natural numbers. For natural numbers, the first number you can take it as x. Two consecutive odd numbers. Not natural, odd numbers. So this is even number, students. X plus 2. X plus 2. For odd numbers, you just take x as the first value, x plus 2 as the second value. X as the first value, x plus 2 as the second value for odd number. Yeah, can you tell me all the odd numbers? What are the odd numbers we have? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It goes on, right? Now, the first number, if I take the first number, take any odd number, students. Let me take 5. If the first number is 5, what will be the second number? In place of x, if I put 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Can you see? 5 and 7 are odd numbers. Why there is no reply? Are you able to hear, listen what I'm answering? I mean, explaining. Or you tell me, students, shall I skip this? Shall we try the other chapters? Then why are you so silent, dull? It looks like boring. If it is boring, tell me, I'll skip this. We'll do the other one, which is interesting. So, the students are so boring, not even responding, silent. See, those two students left. Tanishka and Naomi, when they were there, they were replying. You 4 students, 5 students are boring, not responding. For whom am I teaching? There's no response, yes, no, whether you'll have understood. What are you doing, students? Just sitting silent. What is the purpose of attending live class then? Not even one student is responding. The sum of a square of 3 consecutive number. Sum of square of 3 consecutive odd numbers. So let first number. So boring to teach all students. There's no interest. Nobody's replying. Okay, you'll leave. We'll continue tomorrow. Leave this class. We'll continue tomorrow.